Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Over the last few days, a lot of weapons have been recovered by the security forces and militant hideouts have been busted. Now, this has happened in the Kashmir Valley region and also to the south of Pir Panjal in Jammu region. Now, if in one of the operations in North Kashmir's Uri, army recovered a big cache of arms and ammunition of the militants. Now, army says that there were actually multiple hideouts which were busted. Army said on August 30th, movement of suspicious persons was detected at the line of control in Rampur sector, which is in the Baramulla district, and these suspects tried to cross into, they had crossed actually into the Indian territory due to adverse terrain, thick foliage and bad weather conditions. Alert sounded for likely infiltration attempts. Surveillance grid was beefed up across the area. Ambushes were recited to thwart any such attempt. Surveillance continued through the night. Now, this is the army statement. But at the end of the operation, a large quantum of arms and ammunition was recovered, which included 5 AK rifles and 6 pistols and also 21 hand grenades and 2 UBGL grenades.
Let me tell you, the area is dense forest with nalas. Thereafter, no further movement was observed in the night. On 31st morning, our search parties were launched to search the area in which this movement was observed. After an intense search that lasted about 7 hours, a huge cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from the area.
Now, this was the operation in the Kashmir Valley. In Jammu region, in Poonch area, a hideout was busted by the Special Operation Group of the police and the BSF. They had recovered Chinese pistol magazines, AK magazines and AK rounds.
ये सर्च ऑपरेशन जो है वो जर्नल एरिया जो है अपना खनेतर टॉप वहाँ पे लॉन्च किया गया और ड्यूरिंग सर्च ऑपरेशन हमें एक टेररिस्ट जो हाइड आउट है वो मिली, जिसमें काफ़ी तादाद में असला और एम्यूनिशन जो है वो बरामद हुआ है। इसमें 2 जो हैं वो पिस्टल हैं और इनके साथ 5 पिस्टल की मैगजीन्स हैं, 50 राउंड हैं, AK के 270 राउंड हैं, उसकी 5 मैगजीन्स हैं, 2 वायरलेस सेट हैं और एक बायनाकुलर है। इसके अलावा और भी एक कोई पैम्पलेट मिला है जिसमें HM का वो पैम्पलेट है जिसमें उनका ऑफिशियल जो हैंड आउट रहता है।
That was the arms and ammunition that was recovered from there, but also an LET module has been busted in the Riyasi district of J&K. Now, what had happened on police had actually arrested one person who had led to this module. This man, he was in touch with an LET militant, Muhammad Qasim, who was a resident of Mahor and had exfiltrated into POK in 2020.
3 लोग अरेस्ट किए जा चुके हैं, उसमें से आप ठीक कह रहे हैं, एक गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय भी है, टीचर है। बाकी जो 2 हैं वो एक शॉपकीपर है और एक लेबरर या एग्रीकल्चरल का छोटा मोटा काम करता है। तो ये यहाँ के जो यूथ हैं, गुर्बत भी है और कहीं ना कहीं जो यूथ को ये टारगेट कर रहे हैं, ये ऐसे यूथ हैं जो जिनके पेरेंट्स या जिसका भाई या किसी का बेटा कभी ना कभी मिलिटेंसी से जुड़े रहे हैं, तो शायद उनको ये सॉफ्ट टारगेट्स लगते हैं। उनको ऐसा लगता है कि इनको अगर हम ल्योर करेंगे मिलिटेंसी की तरफ दोबारा ज्वाइन करने में या दोबारा किसी तरह का बेस बन सके, एज अ गाइड इस्तेमाल किया जा सके, तो ये इनकी जो है वो ये नापाक कोशिशें हैं जो इस अरेस्ट के साथ ये रिवील हो गई हैं।
Now, basically, this is an overground group of workers of militants which were active in that region, and they have all been arrested. So clearly, there are many successful operations that have been conducted by the security forces, even as there is no let-up in the infiltration attempts across the line of control, which have been blocked most of the times in North Kashmir, in Kupwara, and also continuous ceasefire violations to the south of Pir Panjal in Rajouri and Poonch sectors. So on one hand, obviously the challenge is to stop infiltration from taking place, and on the other hand, keep on continuing the pressure on the militants in the Kashmir Valley and in other areas of Jammu and Kashmir by carrying out anti-militancy operation and also busting the militant hideouts and recovering the arms and ammunition that militants carry along with them. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.